If it's not broke, don't fix it. One of the things that I love most about working on vintage campers like this 1984 travel trailer is testing all of the original systems to make sure they work. And if they're not working at first, troubleshooting to fix it. Take, for example, this furnace. You can hear it blowing now, but it wasn't working earlier. So let's go ahead and pop this cover off. In vintage campers, you'll have one main furnace system like this one. In newer campers, you'll have a furnace system underneath, and then the lines are run in the floors or in the cabinets, wherever. But on vintage smaller travel trailers, it's gonna be one unit and all of the air blows out here. And it's super hot right now. So let's go ahead and turn this off so it stops blowing. Most of the older models will have the directions right on here. And if they don't have the directions, you can find the model number usually etched or posted somewhere. And you should be able to Google directions on how to make it work. I often see it where vintage campers are renovated and whoever did it takes out the old systems that may or may not work and then replace them and upgrade them with new electric systems. And that's all a matter of preference, really. Or if it's broken, then yeah, for sure, replace it. But a lot of my fun comes in working the old systems, the original systems, and making sure that they work. And if they don't work, trying to fix them. It's like the highlight of my day. So would you keep this original furnace or would you upgrade it and replace it with a brand new one?